One question surely on everyone's mind is whether or not the UK is going to implement a lockdown for the unvaccinated, or worse still, fines for the unvaccinated, and that's what I'm talking about today. So welcome back. I am the Black Belt Barrister, helping you to understand law and bringing you legal updates and useful information. So you'd be forgiven for worrying that the UK might implement a lockdown for those that are not vaccinated. After all, many other countries around the world are doing exactly that. In fact, some countries are fining those people that are not vaccinated, let alone restricting them to their homes. For example, it's been reported that the Greek government is making vaccines mandatory for all Greeks 60 years and above. And from next month, it seems that they will get a €100 fine for each and every month that they don't get the shot, with the funds raised going to the hospital services. And for Austria, which is one of the countries with the lowest vaccine take-up in Western Europe, is going to remain in lockdown until the middle of December. The Chancellor has said that then the restriction will be lifted for those who are vaccinated or have recently recovered from the virus. After which, unvaccinated people will probably still have to remain in lockdown, although they might be able to go to work if they have a negative test. Spain, on the other hand, has effectively banned travellers from the UK who haven't been fully vaccinated. And from the 1st of December, it will only accept proof of vaccination for adult entry. And reportedly, the UK government advice has also said that a certificate of recovery is not accepted by the Spanish authorities. Slovakia, on the other hand, is taking a slightly different approach in that they are handing out vouchers of €500 to everyone over the age of 60 who gets vaccinated. And these can be redeemed in restaurants and hotels. In Singapore, the unvaccinated are going to have to pay for their own medical bills if they contract COVID. And depending on the level of care, could be anything between £10,000 and £15,000. Meanwhile, in the United States, the administration has issued an emergency ruling which forces large private employers to require vaccination or regular testing. This is said to apply to companies with 100 or more employees with a deadline of the 4th of January, and failure to comply could trigger huge fines. So the question remains as to what the United Kingdom is going to do moving forward. Will there be another lockdown? Will there be fines for not getting vaccinated? At this point, it's difficult to tell, but of course, I will keep you updated with anything I find out, so please make sure you subscribe and hit the bell to stay notified. See you next time.